Have you ever wondered how far we've come in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence? From the earliest mechanical automatons to the advanced AI-driven machines of today, our journey through the evolution of robotics has been nothing short of extraordinary. This relentless pursuit of innovation has given birth to an industry teeming with potential. Among the pioneers leading the charge, one name consistently echoes in the halls of innovation. One company that stands out for its remarkable contributions to this field is Boston Dynamics. Founded in 1992, Boston Dynamics embarked on a mission to change the face of robotics. This innovative venture was the brainchild of a team led by Mark Raybert, a former professor at MIT. Raybert and his team were visionaries, seeing a future where robotics and artificial intelligence would play a fundamental role in society. From its inception, Boston Dynamics was all about pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible in robotics. They were not content with creating machines that simply performed tasks. They aimed to build robots that could interact with the world around them in a dynamic and adaptive way. Their goal was to develop robots that were not only functional but also agile, versatile, and capable of navigating complex environments. Boston Dynamics was founded on a daring vision. A vision of a world where robots could move and interact with the same ease and fluidity as living creatures. Little did they know their creations would mesmerize the world in the years to come. Boston Dynamics began to gain recognition with their groundbreaking designs and advanced technology. This was a company that wasn't just thinking outside the box. They were redefining the box itself. One of their earliest creations that grabbed the world's attention was Big Dog. Unveiled in 2005, Big Dog was a quadruped robot that could traverse difficult terrains, carry heavy loads, and maintain balance even when kicked. This was something unheard of at the time. It was like watching a science fiction movie unfold in real life. Next came Petman in 2009, a humanoid robot designed to test chemical protection suits. But Petman wasn't just a mannequin. It could walk, crawl, and even do push-ups. It had the ability to simulate human physiology by controlling temperature, humidity, and sweating, all in a bid to provide realistic test conditions. Just 2 years later, Boston Dynamics presented the world with Rex, a robot with an extraordinary ability to navigate through rocky terrains, muddy paths, and even swim through water. It was like a robotic cockroach, resilient and unstoppable. But perhaps one of the most iconic creations from Boston Dynamics is Atlas, a bipedal humanoid robot. Introduced in 2013, Atlas could walk on 2 legs, just like us. But it didn't stop there. Over the years, Atlas learned to run, jump, and even perform backflips. These revolutionary machines were more than just robots. They were testaments to human ingenuity and the potential of technology. They were different from what was available at the time because they weren't just about functionality, they were about pushing the boundaries of what was deemed possible. Boston Dynamics was not just building robots. They were building a future where robots could seamlessly integrate into our lives, helping us conquer challenges and achieve feats beyond our human limitations. These early successes were just the beginning of Boston Dynamics' journey. As the years went by, Boston Dynamics continued to push the boundaries of what was possible in robotics. In the realm of robotics, 2 names stand out from the rest: Spot and Atlas. These aren't your average machines. No, they're the brainchildren of Boston Dynamics, the epitome of advanced robotics technology. Spot, a 4-legged robot, is more than just a mechanical pet. It's an all-terrain trooper, capable of navigating both indoor and outdoor environments with ease. Spot's nimble mobility, coupled with its perception sensors, allow it to avoid obstacles and traverse unfamiliar territory. It's designed to work where other robots and humans can't. From construction sites to underground mines, Spot's got it covered. Then there's Atlas. This humanoid robot is a literal leap forward in robotics. Atlas can navigate complex terrains, carry heavy loads, and even perform acrobatics. Yes, you heard that right. A robot doing backflips. Atlas's agility and balance are a testament to Boston Dynamics' innovative approach to robotics. But it's not just about physical prowess. Spot and Atlas are both equipped with advanced AI capabilities. They can autonomously perform tasks, make decisions based on their surroundings, and learn from their experiences. This level of intelligence and adaptability is what sets Boston Dynamics robots apart. These robots also have a broader societal impact. Spot's remote inspection capabilities can keep humans out of harm's way in dangerous environments. Atlas, with its humanoid design and dexterity, opens up possibilities for performing tasks that require human-like skills and flexibility. Boston Dynamics is not just creating robots. They're crafting masterpieces that bridge the gap between man and machine. They're redefining what's possible in the realm of robotics, and in doing so, they're shaping our future. These robots are not just feats of engineering, they're symbols of a new era in robotics. An era where robots are not just tools but partners, capable of working side by side with us, learning from us, and even outperforming us. With each new robot, Boston Dynamics was not just changing the field of robotics, but also how we perceive the future. But what does the rise of Boston Dynamics mean for us and for the future of robotics? Well, the potential applications of these robots are vast and varied. In healthcare, they could help with patient care and rehabilitation. Imagine a robot assisting someone with mobility issues, helping them regain their independence. In the emergency services, robots could be deployed to hazardous situations, shielding human personnel from unnecessary risk. In the world of manufacturing, these robots could revolutionize production lines, performing tasks with precision and efficiency that surpass human capabilities. They can work tirelessly, immune to fatigue, and in conditions that might be harmful or uncomfortable for humans. And let's not forget about space exploration. Robots like those developed by Boston Dynamics could be sent to other planets, paving the way for human exploration and colonization. These robots could be our eyes and ears in places we've never been before. But along with these exciting possibilities come serious considerations. With the advancement of robotics, questions of ethics and responsibility arise. How do we ensure the safety of these robots? What happens if they malfunction or fall into the wrong hands? And then, there's the issue of job displacement. As robots become more capable, there's a fear that they might replace human workers in various sectors. We need to think about how we can integrate these robots into our societies in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. Another challenge is the need for regulation. With robots becoming a part of our everyday lives, we need laws and guidelines to govern their use. Who's responsible if a robot causes an accident? How do we protect people's privacy when robots are involved? These are complex issues that require thoughtful discussion and careful planning. We're stepping into a new era, one that's filled with both promise and uncertainty. The future of robotics is exciting, but it's also a territory we need to navigate with caution. So, what's next for Boston Dynamics? With their track record of pushing the boundaries of robotics, the future of Boston Dynamics is a thrilling prospect. As we peer into the horizon, we see Boston Dynamics setting sail on a sea of potential advancements and innovations. Among their future plans, they aim to enhance the capabilities of their robots, making them even more agile, efficient, and autonomous. And it doesn't stop there. Boston Dynamics is also looking to expand the applications of their robots. With a vision to venture beyond industrial uses, they're aiming for their robots to be an integral part of search and rescue missions, healthcare, and even in our homes, assisting us in our daily activities. But the future of Boston Dynamics isn't just about what they plan to do. It's also about the trends and developments in the field of robotics. We're talking about advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensory technology. These advancements could empower their robots to be more responsive, adaptable, and intelligent. Imagine a future where robots are not just tools but partners. A future where they can understand and respond to our needs and even anticipate them. This is the future that Boston Dynamics is working towards. As we move forward, one thing is certain. Boston Dynamics will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of robotics. In the end, the story of Boston Dynamics isn't just about robots, it's about a journey that has taken us from the dawn of robotics through the birth and rise of Boston Dynamics. It's about the unfolding of a new era in the field of robotics, one that's marked by the transformative impact of Boston Dynamics. This is a story of how Boston Dynamics, with its relentless pursuit of innovation and vision, has pushed the envelope, breaking down barriers and reimagining what robotics can do. The robots they've created are not just machines, but harbingers of a future brimming with possibilities. They've shown us that the limits of robotics are far beyond what we once thought. It's about how innovation, vision, and sheer determination can redefine the boundaries of what's possible. And that, perhaps, is the most exciting part of the Boston Dynamics story.